What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Popular Girl, Typical Boy by Powfu and Sleeping. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll powerbomb your grandma off the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo all the way up to the 7th fret because it is originally played on a ukulele, but this is how you can play it on the guitar. If you need the guitar tab, it will be in the video description, so once you get done, if you need that, check the video description, it's there for you. Starting out with your middle finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, index finger on the B string on the 1st fret, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E, and you're picking those 3 strings in order: E, B, G, twice. Take your pinky finger off, press down on both the B string and the E string on the 1st fret with your index finger, and keep your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G. Picking the exact same way. Take your index finger off of the E, so that the E is open now, still on the 1st fret of the B with your index, and still on the 2nd fret of the G with your middle. Pick the exact same way. Then put your index finger back on the 1st fret of the B and the E. Pick the exact same way. So all together that looks like... Now there are 4 parts to this. There are 4 parts to this riff. That is the 1st and 2nd and the 4th part. The only time it changes is during your 3rd part, so that plays through twice. Now for the 3rd part of this progression, you're going to put your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the high E, your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B, and your middle finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the G still, and you're picking the exact same way 2 times through. Slide your pinky down to the 3rd fret of the high E, index finger on the 1st fret of the E, pinky finger back up to the 3rd fret, and then you jump back to what we learned originally for the 4th part. And that starts all over, and that just repeats. So all together it looks like... There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.